Alright, so today I'm gonna go pull into some barrels that are very likely to close out at Padang Padang. Just due to the size and stuff and the tide. They're probably not gonna hold open for too long. But I'll go there and before I freeze to death in the water, get some good, hopefully good barrel shots. Most of the time I take this GoPro out and try and get a barrel. I don't get the whole barrel. So this time I'm gonna aim it really far up so that when it's in my mouth it's like this. So hopefully I can get the whole barrel in picture, because that's been an issue for me. So the goals for today are going to be stay high in the barrel, pump in the barrel to try and get enough speed to go through the lip, because that's probably how I'm going to be getting out if I'm going to get out of any of them. And no new cuts or scrapes, because I got enough of those right now. Alright, let's enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Some nice barrels. Hopefully there's some nice views. I'm really hoping for really nice green barrels, because it is beautiful. The water of Padang is it's green sometimes, and I think that's pretty cool. And hopefully I can get some of that emerald barrel on camera. Super high tide right now, so there's not much of a barrel, but I'm out here because I don't want to get destroyed on the rocks. And there's a little barrel, so I'll go for one of those.